Hello everyone. I'm going to show you about a software program called the Oracle Trader. This is a software program that automatically trades the news for you. Um, and what they've actually set up is they've got multiple data feeds from all of the companies that receive the news, such as non-farm payroll, interest rate events, GDP quarterly events, all the major news events, even the minor events if you decide you want to trade those. It's all programmed into this to get that information as fast as possible. In fact, they went as far as getting what's called a cloud server set up where you have a very fast connection to getting that information. Down here, they have a timer telling me how fast. My connection's actually at 15 milliseconds. So it's very fast at getting that information. And not only is it fast at getting the information, but it's very fast at getting you into the market. They've got an auto click feature up here that you can turn on. That's pretty much what you want to be doing with this software. You'll turn this on, and what it'll do is actually you'll have your order window up with your broker, and it'll actually automatically click you in and put you into the market within a millisecond. It's very fast software all the way around from getting the signal and to getting you into the market. I'll just show you a few features here. They've got a menu, or actually a calendar. You can go look at all the events that are coming out for the next 2 weeks or so. And then you've got these different rows of data for the events that are coming up. It'll automatically refresh, automatically puts in the deviations that they recommend for events that they recommend trading. And if we hover over this, it will tell us what the event is. Like you can see here, this one's that's coming up is the Australia dollar. It tells you what to do, buy if high, but you don't have to worry about that if you have AutoClick turned on. This will automatically put you in. It'll even talk and say buy or sell, tell you if there's any conflicting data. But the point is, this software, it's very easy to use, very easy to set up. You don't have to learn how fundamental trading works. You just need to know how to use the software, basically, which can be learned in I think they have a 5 or 10 minute video. It's pretty simple. Um, so, in fact, I know that Dustin, a little bit about this software is Dustin's actually been trading it for about 4 years now, making real money, not demo trading, not little micro accounts. He's actually trading tens of thousands of dollars and making real money. In fact, in one of his webinars, I've actually went to. He shows his live account and proves it to you. So if you attend one of his webinars, make sure to ask about that. Um, and actually, on top of that, he has a live trading room that he holds before, 15 to 20 minutes before each major news event that he's trading. He will, talk you through what the plan is, where he's going to exit the trade, what he's going to do, and you'll see his charts up and his actual platform executing his trades. So he covers everything he's doing to make money with it. There might be some skeptical people out there. Of course, you've probably read maybe some negative reviews even. I'm not sure if there's any really out there, but you might have heard that this software doesn't work like they say. But I'm actually going to show you some videos in a little bit here where I'm actually been using it and making money. The point is that those that tried it out maybe and have not made money with it, they did not set things up correctly. There are a few tips that I give you when you join Oracle Trader to make sure you're set up correctly, and that makes all the difference. One little mistake and it won't make you money. So we can show you how to get set up properly. So let's go ahead. I'm going to show you now, just like Dustin's done on his, he's showing you some videos making money with the software in his live trading room. I'm going to go ahead and show you some videos where I've used the software to make some money, and so let's go ahead and show you some of those. Okay, we got the Oracle Trader software up and ready to go. Today we're looking at the CAD retail sales. The triggers that have been put in for us is 0.6 for our safe trigger. We're not using the medium trigger. Dustin's using the 0.6. We've got the profit center up. He's in there talking right now about what the plans are. Looking for about a 30 to 40 pip move. I've got auto click enabled, so that'll automatically click my order window you can see that I have up. I've typed in my comment. You don't have to do this part, but I like to type in my comment so I can look back and see what trade is what from what news event. I've typed in my volume, my lot size, one standard lot, which is pretty aggressive on this account. Um, so everything's set up and ready to go. We got about 30 seconds till the news comes out. So everything's ready to automatically put us in. It only took a few minutes to set up, so it was really easy to get that ready to go. And so we'll wait here. We got about another 20 seconds. Um, so we got what we're going to see here in the sell or the buy circle. You're going to see it turn green if it hits our safe trigger, and that's going to automatically put us into the trade. One of my orders is going to automatically be exited, and the other one I'm going to have to manually close out. Getting a little bit of volatility. Should be any second now. Okay, there we are. Buy. We're filled. We're in the market, both orders, and now there goes price. Jumps up immediately. We're in profit. One position's out. Got another one up about $400. So let's get that one closed out. Oops, gotta get this window closed first. Okay, so let's close it out. It's retraced a little bit. The other position got out about 10 or a little bit more pips better. But we're out of the market now. Look at that, 63% return. And what was that, 20 or 30 seconds? So you can see the power of news trading, guys. There's no guesswork. If the news comes out a certain deviation, we can expect the market to go the direction that we are automatically put into. And so we got put into that trade. 39 pips on the first one, 26 pips on the second one. It was all placed automatically. I did have to close one of my trades out manually, but that's how I set it up. And that's how simple it is, guys. Some days we don't have the deviation we're looking for and we don't get a trade, but a lot of times this is what happens. It's very clear. We hit our safe trigger, and the market a few seconds later jumps up and puts us into profit, and it's very easy to do. There's no technical patterns to learn, no learning the fundamentals. That's all taken care of for you with Oracle Trader's software program. And you can see how fast it was. It was instantly. It was even hard to see how fast it was. So I got some more videos like this I'll be showing you in the next couple days. So stick around and let's make some money.